Hello guys, it's your boy Eddie Dev. I'm here again for the episode 2. That's where we're going to talk about functions and parameters. Get ready. We're here to master everything about that before we jump into Flutter. So make sure you go through with me, learn more, practice all the examples I'll be doing, and try to go deeper so that you can be on the same level and we jump into Flutter after this episode. This series, sorry. Episode 2, everybody have been talking the comment section is episode 1, and I was like, ooh, wow, I think I'm people on my neck. Let me just dive in into the episode 2. Let us start. We are talking about today functions and parameters. First of all, what is a function? Function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it like a recipe. You give it ingredients, that is parameters, and it gives you a dish that is a result. That's the only thing we should understand. Uh, Try to understand as function and parameters. Now, we should also know that it helps us to save from repeating the same code, like time after repeating ourselves is not okay. It saves us for repeating like the same code many times. That's the only thing I can say. Okay, let us dive into in so fast. Um, this is the first one, void greets. This is a function. We call it a function without a parameter. Print and then you can say maybe hello world. Okay, hello Eddie. Okay, okay. Let's move with this one. And then from here, we can now call it. This is how we're gonna main the void main like in the main function, and we call it greet. And then we'll do the check this. You don't need a lot of stuff, and we are here, good to go. This is calling a function. Okay, let me calling a function. Okay, thanks. If you run it, the rates you'll see it from there. Okay, now we have something also we call uh number two. We should know that too. We are talking about return return type. Okay, a function can return a value if it gives back something. You understand? Specific like specified type, sorry, int, string, and etc. Like also, if it gives back nothing, use void. You understand? If it gives back something, specified type. That's the only thing we should know. Put int or string or boolean and go. Or if it gives nothing, understand that if it gives nothing, use void. Know that, my brother. It took me a lot of time to understand this. Know that for now, and it'll be good to go. Okay, if you say, let's stop, void main. Oh, sorry. We are in main already, sorry. If we say ints now, add uh, ints A, ints B, return A plus B, and then in the main function we call it say maybe uh, print, yeah, okay, print add 2 maybe and 3, something like that, and then you come and close. I think the answer should be 5. Now go down and check. The answer is supposed to be 5. There is saying there is an error, trip error. Yeah, it's here. It has to be 5. And then we have number 3, which we call parameter or parameters. Yeah, there are more. Like functions can take input that is parameters. Like position parameters, order matters. Those option parameters can be skipped. There is named parameters passed by name, not orders. Okay, let us go first and say void say okay hi, okay, and then we say sorry string, oh, name, okay, and then Okay, and then say print hi name. Okay, I think we can see from here. And if we try to run it, if you bring our our what's our function here, say hi, and then we close, and then oh, and then we put the name. Now we have to call now the name of the product input, and then we say Eddie maybe, or we say Salmon. Okay, then we close. Wait, did you give it void string name prints? We have to position it here. Yeah, it has to be here. Oh, sorry. I'm putting on the place I shouldn't. It's not confusing. Sorry, it has to be here on the main stuff. Okay, there. If we try, it's going to bring out the name Hey Salmo. And then we have also something we call number four. Try to understand this. It is four. We call it row arrow function. Arrow function. This is just a shortcut of one line function, means return this. Like if you say void, no, we just say int square, something like this, int x, and then bring the arrow function, and x times x, then we close. If we come up and then the main function shouldn't make the same mistake we did that time. Print, if I say print square, yeah, and then if a 4, maybe give 4, yeah, something like that, and then we close. I think we have to get 16 something, yeah, 16 is there. Now number 5, we should also understand something they call anonymous function. Anonymous function. Okay, if you say void main, okay, then we say var numbers, then give 1 2 3, close the site, and then we call it numbers dot for each. We give n, and then we say print and close. Is there any problem? Numbers for each. Yeah, it's so nice to come up and then remove this one. Yeah, yeah, this is how it has to be, and then we have to close, then we run. So it's 1 2 3 4. That's how it is. Okay, in summary, we should have function equal to reusable code blocks, so we can use it. It's reusable. And use void if nothing is returned. I told you that. Remember that. Otherwise, specify type. Parameters let you pass data. And also, 4, use arrow function for short one-liners. You understand? And functions can even exist without names. Those are anonymous. I think you can see it from here. Okay, that's the only thing. Guys, be there for episode 3. We are moving so fast. Understand that and take care of yourself. Learn, practice, do everything before we go to the next one. If you don't understand this one, type on the comments. Type on me, repeat this module or this episode. Thanks.